Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Murphy, and I'm the Senior Admissions Tutor here at the School of the Natural Sciences at the University of York. I'd like to introduce you to the school, of course in terms of what we aim to do, but also why and how we do it. Many of you will already have decided that you want to study at university. I'd like to take a few moments reflecting on some of the good reasons you may have used to reach that decision. Russell Group universities like ours are recognised international centres of research excellence. That means that the people teaching you will often literally have written the book on the subject, and even more importantly, be researching fast-moving topics. This could mean that by the time you finish your degree, you'll have learned something that humanity didn't know when you started it. This knowledge is important, but your university education should prepare you for a lifetime of learning and discovery. Knowing the answers is only a small part of the puzzle. Learning the skills which allow you to use your knowledge is vital. While all departments at York embed this into their programmes, natural scientists are trained to draw on a wide range of methodologies in order to find unique solutions to challenging problems. Being an interdisciplinary scientist is not just about thinking outside the box, but also viewing the box from many different angles. Now, at the risk of perhaps being too honest, I'll admit why we're eager to teach natural science students. We need you. The university has several multi-million-pound research centres conducting world-changing research in fields such as neuroscience, nanoscience, and bioarchaeology, some of which are listed here. I'm personally a member of the York Plasma Institute, where I conduct research in miniaturising particle accelerators for medical or security applications. Colleagues of mine work on using their physics knowledge of cold plasmas. Normally known as the burning hot state of matter, which makes up the sun, their work, alongside biologists, aims at using cold plasmas in cancer research. I've chosen these research centres as they have one big thing in common, apart from being here at York, and that is that they rely on interdisciplinary science. They exemplify the link between our research and our teaching. We enjoy seeing our well-trained undergraduates join our research teams and make a difference to wider society. These research centres lie at the heart of our natural scientist pathways and allow us to have confidence that our programmes are tailored to ensure that we teach you subjects in useful combinations. The School of Natural Sciences comprises 9 departments, which could provide many combinations of degrees in a pick-and-mix approach. Personally, I'm not convinced that there is gainful employment in every combination, and certainly here at York we are not research leaders in all 84 possibilities. For that reason, we offer 8 pathways, which have been selected for their fruitful interfaces, as well as strong overlap with York's own profile of research excellence. Clearly, this means that we at York may not be able to provide you with subject combinations you would like. It does, however, come with some distinct advantages that we, as a school, value over choice. Firstly, your subject combinations will be synergistic. You'll witness firsthand that your pathway is greater than the sum of its parts. You'll always study subjects in as much depth as a single subject undergraduate student. This means, for example, that none of our third-year students will find themselves in a class of second years because of a missing prerequisite. And finally, we don't think that students should have to catch up on missed lectures or labs in order to study across different departments, and so we also guarantee a clash-free timetable. With this philosophy in mind, which combinations do we offer? Our 8 pathways are broadly arranged into 2 types. Our specialisation pathways provide a breadth of experience at the start, which focuses down to a specialised degree. Our interdisciplinary pathways select modules from a number of departments to build up a portfolio of excellence in a research field which will smash through traditional subject boundaries. Our 4 starting points for specialisation are archaeology, biology and environment, archaeology, biology, chemistry and environment, chemistry, physics and mathematics, and biology, physics and chemistry, which will require some mathematics study to support the physical sciences. At the end of the first year, you choose 2 subjects to study in more depth in second year, before selecting a single subject for your last year, or last 2 years in the case of the 4-year programme. For example, you may wish to start with archaeology, biology, chemistry and environment. You could then choose biology and environment in the second year, and choose to complete your third year in biology, graduating with a BSc in Natural Sciences specialising in biology. Remembering that you've been trained as an interdisciplinary scientist, you may wish to complete your final research project in environment on a topic which also draws on your experience as a biologist. The 4 interdisciplinary pathways cover mathematical bioscience, which is where mathematical techniques illuminate our understanding of nature, from genetics and evolution to virology. The pathway is taught through the departments of biology and mathematics. Using quantitative methods to study the dynamics of the natural world allows students to investigate a wide range of topics, from climate change to epidemiology. Neuroscience allows students to learn about the brain from a range of approaches, including modules taught in the departments of philosophy, biology, chemistry and psychology. Students benefit from 2 world-leading research centres specialising in imaging technology here at York, the York Neuroimaging Centre and the Centre for Hyperpolarisation in Magnetic Resonance. Throughout the nanoscience pathway, students investigate materials on a scale far smaller than the breadth of human hair. Modules are taught in electronics, chemistry, physics and maths. Learning the physical laws which govern the atomic scale is needed to understand the most advanced and novel materials. Some exciting and surprising results in magnetism and quantum mechanics only reveal themselves at the nanoscale. Biophysics allows the fundamentals of biology to be studied through the laws of physics. Modules are taught in biology, chemistry and physics and mathematics. Students use their knowledge of materials to learn about advanced biosensing. Light itself can become the tweezers used to study the forces exerted by microscopic biological systems. Through these ideas and so much more, the world of biophysics is rich in important research topics. All 8 of our pathways are offered as a 3-year Bachelor of Science and a 4-year integrated Master's course. In addition, the programmes can be augmented with a year abroad, gaining new perspectives through living overseas, or with a placement year, where you will gain experience of the world of work. The latter can be very science-oriented, but equally may involve working in the finance or technology sectors. All of our programmes are taught, mainly by the contributing departments, through a variety of structures, allowing students to benefit from their preferred learning style. Large lectures give a more traditional university lecture experience, and our academics are trained in how to present in an engaging and inclusive way. Smaller group teaching helps reinforce learning and provides a more open format for discussion and academic growth. While at times supported by graduate students, almost all of our teaching is led by academics, which ensures that the modules are informed by the very latest research. We use technology to help support our teaching and enhance our students' learning in a variety of ways. For example, we employ lecture capture recordings to act as a reminder of module content for revision, and instructional videos to prepare our students for lab experiences. All natural sciences students complete a research project which constitutes a significant portion of their final year, giving them the opportunity to work with an internationally recognised research group here at York. This is good practice for any workplace, but especially for a PhD or other research degree which might follow on from graduation. Specific to the School of Natural Sciences, we have a Natural Sciences building, a light and airy space where students meet for academic and social gatherings. The building acts as a welcoming hub for exchanging ideas, both between disciplines as well as across year groups. Walking through the space, it won't be surprising to find a first-year neuroscience student chatting with a third-year archaeology specialist. I often joke with our students that we believe so strongly in interdisciplinary science that we trick them into it, even when they think they're socialising. In the natural sciences space, you'll also find the offices of academic and administrative staff. Most students enjoy the welcome provided by the support staff dedicated to helping our students. Once a week, all natural sciences students meet for our Natural Sciences Hour. As well as the free pizza, staff and students are generally excited to attend in order to hear the Speaker of the Week. This can be one of your own students regaling us of tales of their placement year, or perhaps a senior scientist from York or elsewhere talking about the latest scientific advances, or perhaps a York-based expert expanding our soft skills like communication or CV writing. We also have employers visit to highlight the full range of employment opportunities available to our graduates, although the companies take little convincing since they are very aware of the high-quality employee which may be sourced in the School of Natural Sciences at York. All students will be introduced to a pastoral care supervisor, who can be their first port of call for many questions, as well as someone they get to know throughout their time at York. Our 9 departments provide additional subject advisors to help guide natural sciences students through any questions raised in the case where their pastoral supervisor is not a subject expert. Central University and colleges provide additional support in many important aspects of university life, including finance, accommodation, health, disability and counselling. All students are a member of one of the colleges here on campus. The college system provides an additional social structure, helping support practical and emotional needs. As a campus university, you're only a short walk from many campus facilities and a short bus ride from the city centre. All applications are made through UCAS. Students with the potential to succeed are invited to an interview, if possible in person. The interview process allows students to gain more information about whether natural sciences at York is right for them. It also allows us to understand each applicant as an individual and take this into account on results day. Specific subjects at A-level or equivalent are required depending on the chosen pathway. Our typical offer for all pathways is A** AA at A level. We do have a number of international students and will consider each set of qualifications on their own merit, accepting applications wherever we feel that the applicant will have a good chance of success with us. As most good scientists will know, research is important. While there is no way to guarantee making the right decision, there are two important things to remember. The more information you gather, the more confidence you will be able to have in your decision. And there are many paths to a happy future, and this should be an exciting time for you. Try to enjoy discovering the many options open to you. I hope this video has helped you understand a little bit more about us and the options we offer. We hope to be able to welcome you to the School of Natural Sciences in the not too distant future.